It's Tasha, mom turned minimalist, and I'm getting ready to fly out to Cali. Thus, in today's video, I'm gonna pack for my family's trip! Hey fam, hope you're all well. Today I thought I'd share with you what I typically pack for my family of 4 whenever we go to Cali. We'll be there for 5 days, so I'll take you through my process of packing all of our clothes into one check-in luggage. My hubby already got most of his stuff together here on the left. As for the kiddos, I just did their laundry, so I'm going to fold their items while I tell you about the packing list I created. On the To-Do app, I created a travel checklist, so I don't need to start from scratch for each trip. And we just adjust it as our kids continue to grow and need less additional items. It's super easy to use and can be synced across all your devices. I give each person their own list, and then we also have some communal items. I can't wait until we can take the car seats off the list. But as the kids get older, we kind of level up, which is nice. With each higher level, we need less kid-related items. So far, we've been able to graduate from the bronze level and no longer need baby carriers or strollers. We're now stuck on the silver level, which still includes car booster seats. But in about 5 to 6 years, we'll be done with that level as well. Gold level is where it's at. No additional travel items are needed. The kids can pack their own stuff and they can carry it themselves. I cannot wait. I've gotten the kiddos' clothes together, so now it's just time to get mine. We have these shoe bags that have been awesome throughout the years, so I put all our shoes and sandals in there. For the trip, we just wear our sneakers on the flight, and I pack our sandals and dress shoes, 1 pair per person, as they are typically lighter. I also make sure we have a surplus of masks. In Cali, the weather forecast is sunny and warm. My strategy for packing for warm weather trips is as follows: pants and a jacket or long sleeve shirt, sneakers, basically our heaviest clothing items. We wear these to the airport and on the airplane. It tends to be colder on the airplane, so I'd rather be overdressed than underdressed. I've learned that the hard way. Shorts, t-shirts, lighter weight clothing, that's what gets packed up to help us stay under the luggage weight limit. We technically need 4 outfits while we're out there, but I decided to pack at least 5 shirts, pairs of undies, and socks per person. And for shorts, I think 3 to 4 pairs are fine, and a pair of pants that we'll wear for the flights there and back. As you may have noticed, I do roll all my items up as that makes it easier to see everything at a glance. This is basically the KonMari method of folding, but it's like my lazy version, I guess my lazy Marie version of folding, because I'm not as exact with it, but it gets the job done. I realized while packing that I wanted to bring my romper, the very one that I was wearing in the video thus far, so I did a wardrobe change. My romper is still clean, so no judgment. Alright, all the clothing has been folded and gathered. It's time for phase 2, which is putting everything in packing cubes. I discovered packing cubes a few years ago and they have been a game changer for me. I know, I'm probably late to the game, but you know what? Better late than never. But why did nobody tell me about these things? Having these packing cubes allows me to pack each family member's items separately and divide them into smaller categories as needed, such as shirts, bottoms, socks, undies, etc. I'll share what kind of packing cubes I purchased in the description below in case you're interested. Do you have any traveling hacks or tips that have made your own travels much easier? I'd love to hear from you down below. Our toiletry bag stays packed and ready to go with toothbrushes, toothpaste, deodorant, soap, razors, all of that. It's basically a grab and go, it's just what we need for our trips. Each family member gets a backpack and we stuff our electronic devices in there. I also pack Harper a thin blanket and put snacks in each kid's backpack as well. We all bring an empty water bottle to fill up at the airport. Packing snacks and water bottles saves us money and makes sure that even if we don't have any extra time to grab something to eat at the airport, we'll still be a-okay on the plane. Typically, no one stops you if you are carrying a plastic shopping bag that's filled with snacks. I also use this strategy when I'm bringing home food gifts, pasalubong in Filipino, for my family. I'm so glad the kids are both old enough to carry their own backpacks and walk through the airport. Make sure to watch till the end to see my husband repeatedly stuffing me into a suitcase and also to see a little footage from our trip. We'll put that toiletry bag in real quick and that's basically it. Time to see if it's under 40 pounds as we're flying Spirit and 40 pounds is the limit. Success! So it's about an hour and a half later. I'm just about done. I mean, at least the clothes are all in the luggage now. The kids aren't here right now, and they are using their Crocs, so I couldn't pack the Crocs yet, but that will easily fit in here. I love these packing cubes. Even if we don't have drawers or anything, we can at least have them out and be like, hey, there's your stuff, is in your colored packing cube. Let me know in the comments below if you think I packed too much, if I could have done even better, you know, like Well, thanks so much for packing with me today, but it's time to catch my flight, so I'll see you next time. Bye! You're gonna help me get in here. You have to show your face. You're gonna help me. It's gonna be behind the scenes. And today, this recording, right?
It is.
Okay, this is good. This is good stuff. Nobody cares about the actual packing.
Okay.
Just imagine.